Assalamualaikum. I'm here. Welcome to the 14th video lecture of class 4 English. Today, the activity we are doing today is on page number 7 and C5 actually. It says underline the nouns in the following sentences. Like the first one here says, once upon a time there was an old man called Ramirez, and in this one the man and Ramirez are actually nouns. And for the next line, one day he took his dog and went to the forest. Day and dog are actually nouns. Day, dog are actually nouns. Suddenly, out of the bushes came a fierce tiger, and suddenly out of the bushes and tiger are actually nouns. Ramirez was afraid, but his dog feared no man or creature. Ramirez, dog, man, creature are nouns. It took one step towards the tiger and barked. And the nouns in this one are step and tiger. Let me check. Step and tiger. And in the F part, Ramirez and his back against a tree. Ramirez back and tree. And for the next part, let me check. Soon the tiger ran into the forest, and for that, tiger and forest are nouns. And for the S part, Ramirez went home and told his wife about their brave pet. Ramirez is a noun. Went home and told his wife about their brave pet. These are the nouns in this one. Well done, she said in a loud voice. The dog wagged its tail. Well done, she said in a loud voice. Dog wagged its tail. Tail is a noun too. And that was today's lecture. Until next lecture. Allah